Hello, in this video I'll show you how to control your demolition using this probability property. So again, pretty simple example, three boxes, all of them have the same properties except that this first one, probability is set to 100%, second one has 50% probability, and the last one has 10% probability. So let me create simulation and explain you what happens next. Okay, so this probability property defines how many fragments will be possible to demolish again. So 100% obviously means that every new fragment will be possible to demolish further in the secondary secondary demolitions. And as you can see, almost all of them were demolished, just a pile of fragments here. Let me stop simulation. Okay. And this example, we had probability 50%. And thanks to this, here you can see we still have this big fragments which were not demolished during simulation. So this value is not like 100% accurate. So sometimes you may have more, sometimes less than 50%, but average value will be 50%. As you can see, a bunch of fragments stayed here. So at the end, we get about 50% of our original fragments not demolished at all, even though we have primary and two layers of secondary demolitions. So we can compare this pile and this pile. And finally, the last example, we had only 10% of our fragments. Probability 10% means that only 10% of fragments from this first primary demolition will be possible to demolish further, and as you can see, very few of them were demolished. So again, another property which allows you to control amount of fragments, because if otherwise you can just end up with this pile of fragments, and in this case it looks I guess more realistic when you have some fragments still big and some fragments demolished to very small pieces. So thank you for watching.